Burpees are a highly effective exercise for burning fat, involving the alternation of multiple positions. When executed with proper form, they engage all major muscle groups in the body. Discover the effects of incorporating daily burpees into your routine by watching this video till the very end. Burpees are a versatile exercise that combines different movements such as squats, planks, push-ups, and jumps. This exercise engages various muscle groups including the abs, legs, chest, and upper back, and promotes coordination and synchronization of movements. Moreover, burpees help improve endurance, strength, and posture, and enhance cardiovascular health by increasing the supply of oxygen to the organs. One significant advantage of burpees is that they don't require any equipment and are an effective bodyweight strength exercise. Overall, burpees have a comprehensive impact on the body and offer multiple benefits such as strengthening core muscles, boosting metabolism, and improving cardiovascular health. The burpee exercise has been highly valued by CrossFit athletes for its efficiency and numerous benefits. This intense exercise demands a certain level of fitness to be included in a workout routine. However, to make burpees less challenging, push-ups or jump-ups can be removed. Burpees are highly effective for weight loss, with 20 reps burning approximately 15 calories. The exercise also accelerates metabolism and rapidly warms up the body through frequent changes in position. Additionally, burpees have a positive impact on developing core muscles in the pelvis, abdomen, and lower back, which are essential for maintaining balance. Burpees also enhance an athlete's strength and speed, improve flexibility, coordination, balance, endurance, posture, and maintain back muscles in good condition. One of the great benefits of the burpee exercise is that it can be performed anywhere without requiring any specialized sports equipment. However, to perform burpees effectively, it's important to understand the proper technique. Like any exercise, the technique for burpees is crucial for achieving optimal results. Since burpees are composed of several simple exercises, it's necessary to master the technique of each exercise before moving on to the burpee. Squats, planks, and push-ups can be used as a warm-up before starting burpees. It's essential to warm up your muscles before any physical activity to prevent injuries, so make it a habit to properly stretch and warm up beforehand. To perform a burpee with proper technique, begin by standing straight with your feet shoulder-width apart, which will serve as your starting position. Then, bend your knees and assume a squat position while placing your hands on the floor. Transfer your body weight to your hands and jump back with your feet until you're in a plank position on straight arms. Complete one push-up and return to a plank position. Jump your legs up towards your arms and get back into a squat position. Finally, jump up and raise your arms sharply, making a clap above your head. It's crucial to perform each stage of the exercise as correctly and fully as possible in order to reap the full benefits of the burpee. When considering adding burpees to your workouts, it's important to be cautious if you have knee and hip problems, chronic heart disease, and are overweight, pregnant, or within 2 to 3 months of postpartum recovery. It's crucial to pay attention to any dizziness, nausea, or chest pain that may occur during the exercise, and to stop immediately if these symptoms appear. If you feel well and don't experience any adverse effects, you can try the burpee. If you enjoyed this video, you won't want to miss out on these 2 amazing fitness videos right here. They're packed with even more content to help you reach your fitness goals and take them to the next level. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. That way you'll always be alerted whenever we post a new video. Thanks for tuning in. We look forward to seeing you in the next one.